Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's play a game called Guess the Animal. Ready? Let's go. What is this? Cat. This is a cat. Can you see the cat? Cat. Next one. What is this? Dog. It's a dog. The dog is happy. Dog. Okay, moving on. What is this? Cow. It's a cow. Can you see the cow? The cow is eating grass. Cow. Next one. What is this? Goat. This is a goat. Can you see the goat? Goat. This is goat. Ready for the next one? Okay. What is this? Yes, it's a pig. Pig. Oink, oink. Can you see the pig? Pig. What is this? What sound does this bird make? Quack. Yes, it's a duck. Duck. This is a duck. The duck is in the pond. Duck. Duck. This is a rabbit. You got it. Can you see the rabbit? Rabbit. The rabbit is eating grass. Okay, what could be next? Let's find out. Whoa! What is this? Hen. This is a hen. I see a hen. Hen. Okay. Now, let's see if we can find the cat. Which one is the cat? Yay! You got it! That's the cat. Good job. Next one. Can you find the cow? Yay! You got it right! That's the cow. Next one. Can you find the duck? Look carefully. Listen to the sound. Yes, you got it! That's the duck. Duck. It's so much fun learning animals. Good job.
Subscribe for more fun learning.